something to be concerned about. Some will say that the youths are impoverished and that they are murdering and committing robberies and different crimes because they are desperate. That is the excuse that we get from different quarters of our society. But I would like to remind you that poor people do the right things too, and that many of you who are listening to this broadcast, who are listening to this conversation that we're having now, will acknowledge that you grew up poor and you were not criminals. Some of you would remember that you did not have a second pair of shoes to wear and you did the right thing. A lot of you will remember that you could not open a refrigerator in your house because you didn't have one to open and you did not become a criminal. So the excuse that poverty is the reason why many of our youngsters are the way they are, it is a farcity. It is wrong. It is a lie. And do not believe it